Videos? I mean, the easiest way is just to, like, you want to put like a YouTube video or something?
Yeah.
The easiest way to put a YouTube video is just to go to youtube.com, and then, I don't know, I'll pick some video. And then usually with YouTube, you will say they have a share. So you go to share and then you go to embed. And then they give you a special tag, which is called iframe. This iframe is just a tag, again, another HTML tag, and it basically puts stuff inside your website. In this case, all this is doing is putting a video from YouTube. So you notice the SRC, which we saw in the image, they have the iframe has similar one. It defines the width of the video, the height of the video, and this is an option that says allow full screen. So allow full screen. So if I save this, I just go back to the page we've done earlier. Now our the video just will show up.
If it's an MP4 instead of the YouTube, which I'm editing myself.
If you have MP4, then you have to use another tag called video, which is an HTML5 tag,
Okay.
and then you put the SRC for it to your MP4.
Okay, what's the difference between MP whatever and MP5?
Can you go back to what you just
Sorry?
HTML and HTML5.
HTML and HTML5?
Yeah.
HTML5 has just a bunch of new tags, basically. So they introduce new tags to make the page nicer. I can go over details of these tags if you guys want. So
you did video? I'm sorry, I lost you. I think
I mean, it's a video tag, so I'd say just get used to, you know, searching for the documentation. So in this case, like this is W3 Schools. It's giving me information about the IMG. So if I go here and I search for video, HTML video tag, you see it right here. Click on it. You really don't have to remember anything. You give it like width, you give it source. The video works a little bit differently. You have to give the source inside it, not inside of SRC, because usually you can give different versions. So you can give this version is for mobile, this version is for desktop, this version is for Android, this version is for iPhone.
and audio would